How to make graduation rate corrections in the ADE Cohort graduation rate system. The ADE Cohort graduation rate system is located within the ADE Data Center. To access the ADE Cohort graduation rate system, you must have an active try-in account and be granted permission. If you do not have permission to enter into the Cohort graduation rate system, contact your school district try-in primary manager. The ADE Cohort graduation rate system has two cohorts that can be used for correcting and reviewing: the 4-year and the 5-year. District users must select the appropriate cohort year for corrections and reviews. You may be wondering, what's the difference between the 4-year and 5-year grad rates? The 4-year grad rate is the number of students who graduate from high school in 4 years with a regular high school diploma. Students who graduated in the summer and have been entered into the graduation table by August 15th are included within the 4-year grad rate. Another group to be included in the 4-year grad rate are students who graduated from high school in less than 4 years. District users must bank the early graduates and include them in their respective 4-year adjusted cohort. They are not included in the year they graduated early. The 5-year grad rate includes students who graduate from high school a year after their cohort's original 4 years in high school with a regular high school diploma. They will be considered as non-graduates for the 4-year adjusted cohort. There are 3 main components when it comes to making corrections of student records. District users can add a record, correct a record, and delete a record. To add a student record, click on the Add Student Record link, then enter the corresponding student data information. To correct a student record, click on the pencil that is located to the right of the corresponding student. Select the Correct Cohort Student Record radio button to start modifications. District users cannot modify student records for economically disadvantaged, special ed, or LEP. To delete a student record, follow the same steps as correcting a student record, but select the Delete Cohort Student Record option. When deleting a student record, you must select the reason and upload documentation. There are 8 reasonings to choose from regarding deleting a student from the cohort. The student must be on time to graduate for approval. If the student repeated a grade, dropped out to get a GED, or did not graduate on time, the student will not be accepted for approval. If you have any questions, please contact the School Performance Unit by phone at 501-682-7339 or by email at ade.schmail@arkansas.gov.